Welcome back. Now in this video we are going to look into PPC keyword tool of SEMrush. Basically what this keyword tool does is to help you to create PPC keyword campaigns, keyword groups, category campaigns and everything which you can use it to run your PPC campaigns within Google AdWords or other networks. So in order to use this tool, you need to come under advertising section, go into PPC keyword tool. You can either use one of your project which you have already set up or create a brand new project. For example, I am going to use this as an example and click on setup. Here you can add keywords here where you will already have keywords, list of keywords you want to target via paid ads. If you have, you can enter it manually, or from SEMrush itself you can try to bring some keywords, or from text file you can import it, from CSV you can import it, or Excel file. In this example I might use SEMrush as an example. Marketing and click on add. I can also select the number of keywords I want and it automatically adding 20 different keyword. Just for an example's sake, select a group. Auto grouping option is also, I can select it and click on select, and I'm going to select a country, and I can also select any city or state option also. If I want, I can do that. Once I select all the option which is interesting to me, and you can see it gives you a basic example. With PPC keyword tool, we are determined to help optimize, facilitate daily grind of PPC specialists, making the process of managing keywords efficient and stress-free. Campaign ad group keywords were created. Go to PPC keyword and it automatically gives you an example. Like first way, they have a really good help section. Then they are saying here we can manually create or manage all the campaigns and groups list within our keywords. Next, we have the option to import more keywords. Like we can import keywords anytime we wish to from various different options are available. Then we have click to automatically find and remove duplicate keywords within different campaigns in your PPC campaigns. Then we have the option to do certain actions such as grouping, refining keywords, moving all to a selected keyword to a negative list, all these things. So you can see clean keyword, add match type, move to negative, move to group, delete selected, auto grouping, create groups, all those options are available. Then we have to have the option to click to find all intersecting keywords in ad groups within a campaign to add them to a negative list in an ad group level. That option is available for you. Then you can also obviously switch between keywords and negative keyword list for any campaigns anytime. And finally, you can export this data which you can import into Google search, Google PPC AdWords section, and to use that as well. So you can create new group here you want, for example something like this. You can group it, add keywords to this group, automatically remove duplicates to this group from any section conflicting issues, negative actions, all the different options are available for you. Once you obviously do this, you can obviously click on here and export this to a CSV, and based on only default campaign or just a basic whatever the data you want to enter, and click on export. All the data will be export in a PVC suited format which you can use to your ad campaigns and all this data. So this is where the PPC keyword tool under SEMrush will be helpful for you.